What's happening, stock traders? I'm the stock guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how I day traded the S&P stock options today and how I was able to make 20% profit all under quarantine, all from the house. I'm going to show you guys how to make this money during the coronavirus, all right? So first things first, let's take a look at the SPY. Now, the SPY was opening up, I think it was just about 1% today at the open. So what I was looking for on the S&P was basically a gap fill, or at least an attempt to fill the gap. So basically, I'm looking for a down move. We're opening up 1%, and I'm expecting it to try to make a move downward to close that gap. So I was looking for a short move today, and as you can see, we have this low point in the pre-market here. So this is what I was looking for: is a nice drop below this or a different technical setup. This is the technical setup that ended up working out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a line from the support level here. Okay. Give me 1 sec to get this nice and straight. There we go. Okay, so now we have this nice support level of that earlier support from the pre-market. Okay, and let's zoom in a bit here. So what I was looking for is a break of this support level on the move down, and that's exactly what I got here. So we tried to make a move down. We kind of were playing around here, and then we finally had a nice breakdown here. So I bought in right on this candlestick here. I can go ahead and show you my trades and show you I bought in to the SPY. Where does it say SPY? Right here. Bought into the SPY at 9:34 in the morning. Okay, so 4 minutes after the market opened. Let's see this candlestick here. You can see it's 9:34. This candlestick. This is when I got in, and at first it kind of went back up. As you can see, it ended up being a green candlestick, and I got in like right about here. So I held through this. I didn't get stopped out, and then we finally got this nice move that I was looking for, and I was able to capture 20% on this stock option. I'll go back to the trades here, and as you can see, I got in at 95 cents per contract, and I was able to get out at $1.15 per contract. So I got exactly my 20% there, and I was only in the trade for about 2 minutes. 934 to 936. Not a bad trade, and this is a great technical setup. We were looking for the move down since we gapped up, and we got that move down. We got a perfect break of support, and we got the percentage that we were looking for. And I just want to show you guys how it's possible to make a decent amount of profit during the coronavirus, during this whole quarantine. I know it's tough times for everybody, but there's no reason to stop striving to do. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how we did that. If you guys like this video, go ahead and click my channel below. I've got a lot more videos like it, and you guys should definitely subscribe because I promise you, you're going to learn something from every one of the videos that I post. So, oh yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Peace out. Oh, actually, before I peace out, let me pull up this right here. This is my Discord, so you can go ahead and add me on Discord. I've got a stock trading group. I've got tons of stock traders in there. We all share our ideas, share our trades, and everybody's welcome in there. It's totally free, so go ahead and send me a direct message on Discord and go ahead and ask me about the group, and I'll send you a link to it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.